In this tutorial, we'll learn about configuring REST object expansion for our webhook. We have a sample webhook configured to send a notification to Zapier for the auto order cancel event. When we test this notification, we have a fairly sparsely populated object with no customer information, which is not very useful at this point. So what we need to do is expand the object to include the information we need. Flipping over to the REST API documentation located at www.ultracart.com/API/, we'll first take a look at the topic expanding objects. This topic will explain how a simple string of object expansion values will determine the size of the object that both the REST API returns as well as the webhook delivers as a payload. In our example, we're trying to send an auto order cancel event with more detailed information, so we'll click on auto order and then expansion. This is the list of all the different values that we can specify for an expansion. We're going to use items as well as original order.billing. This will give us the state of the items on the auto order as well as the customer's first, last name, and email address. If we go back over to our auto order and configure the string items, original underscore order.billing, click save, and then hit test, we're going to see that the object is substantially larger. Now it is including the original order array, the billing child. We can see that we have the first name, the last name, the email address, and then further down we can actually see the items object for the auto order. The amount of expansion that you configure is completely up to the needs of your application, but we recommend limiting it to only data that you're going to consume to keep the payload as small as possible.